Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Rebel Salute has begun. At this very moment, fans of the massive event are pouring into Plantation Cove in St. Anne for 2 nights of reggae music and cultural edutainment. Superintendent of Police David White earlier assured fans that they can expect a smoother traffic flow following the massive build-up for the recent event intimate at that same location.
For patrons that are coming to the show, we're going to try to look at the best way in getting persons safely to the show all the way from Mama Bay and those coming from Runaway Bay. And when you reach the show, what we intend to do is create a 4-lane. The South Shoulder will be used for the eastbound traffic going to the show, and also the other lane will be used to go to Orchard. And the westbound, we are going to use the South Shoulder for those persons going to Montego Bay, and an inner lane will be created for those persons going to the show. Basically, the place will be properly lit, especially at night, to make sure that there's a free flow of traffic during that period of time.
According to Deputy Superintendent Kevin Francis, fans can also feel safe at the newly built-out festival ground.
The Area 2 police, as well as the St. Anne police, will be ensuring adequate policing presence and security presence are in place for this event, as we have done for previous events. We have taken into consideration the entertainment situation where persons are coming to have a good time. We want them to have a good time whilst we provide that reassurance and ensure that the event is incident-free. Based on our policing plans and the execution of our plans, we can safely say that at the past 2 events, there was no major incident that is of note based on our strategies that were executed. We intend to do the same for Rebel Salute and any other event that is held in this parish.
With the promised proper security and traffic management, fans can experience not only the performances, but also Rebel Salute Herb Curb, one of the largest cannabis curated experience in the Caribbean. E-Prime spoke to owner of the brand, Tony Rebel, earlier today, who gave us details on Herb Curb.
We'll be having a forum on Saturday night where we have a Q&A and have some speakers from abroad who are going to talk about marijuana. You know, marijuana is a plant, and it's a plant made by God. It can make 25,000 different products. The first constitution in America was written on hemp paper. Hence, the people who call Hempstead and Hempville is because of the lots of hemp that they used to plant there. So we want to bring in focus the good use of marijuana, not only to smoke, but the therapeutic side of it, the medicinal side of it, and just about all the aspects of marijuana. Come at the Herb Curb when you're at Rebel Salute.
He added that Rebel Salute, in partnership with the RJ Aguina Communications Group, is offering a special viewing experience for overseas fans.
If you go to our website, www.rebelsalutejamaica.com, you'll get all details, which will point you to One Spot Media.
Rebel Salute tonight will feature the man himself, Tony Rebel, along with US reggae band Big Mountain, Rodney Price, Yaksta, Kabaka Pyramid, Jashi, and others. Now Saturday night, we'll see African superstar Stoneboy, along with Capleton, Sanchez, Iwayne, Luciano, and more. Rebel Salute pulls in thousands of patrons nightly. I'm Daedrian with your weekend edition of E-Prime. Enjoy Rebel Salute. Be safe.